good relationship with customers pays off. I think we stay in contact a lot with them, and I think they like that. Most of the ones I've worked with that we've spent time with, they know where we are, we're asking the right questions, they like that. Because then they don't have to worry about us going off in the wrong direction, you know. I think that's key, is to have a good relationship and good communication. And those are the things I appreciated, so I tried to do the same thing on this end, you know, for customers, so that they get a good feel for us.